These cute candy bar wrappers are fun and easy to make. We'll even provide the free patterns for you in our resource library. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is download the pattern. Once downloaded, now we need to print. Select your printer. We're going to select your paper size. Select whether you want it to scale to fit. The media quality, I choose the best quality or high, and then print. The paper I'm using is brochure paper, or you can use a very thin photo paper. Now with our paper trimmer, we're going to trim the candy bar wrapper to the measurements that we took earlier. Once we've trimmed the wrapper, we're going to just fold it around the candy bar to make sure that it fits properly. Now that we know it fits, we're going to run a band of double-sided tape all down the one side of the candy bar wrapper. This will be where the overlap is on the back of the candy bar. We then need to turn our candy bar wrapper over and run some glue down both ends. This is where the candy bar ends will be pinched together and then crimped with the paper crimper. Next, we're going to place our candy bar inside the wrapper, fold over the back, and attach the double-sided glue where the overlap is. Pinch the ends together, and then we'll use our paper crimper to add the crimped look on the end of each candy bar. See how super easy those are? And they're so cute, and kids just love them. We have 8 patterns in our resource library. You're free to use all of them, or you can make your own custom ones in Canva. There is some information on how to do that in our blog post. Enjoy!